Railroad, yeah, O&W, Old and Weary, came up, through here, and it had coal yards here, because this building was heated by coal, and there was underground to where you dump the coal in, other side of it, and there was a station there, and a couple of times they chartered a train to go to the Colgate football game. And I remember going, quite a lot of drinking, and I've seen photographs of that. I think I can only remember going once, but no, they must have chartered it. I don't know. Sounds expensive.